How to book a flight with the RBC Avion rewards. Hi guys, welcome back to AFS More. Today I'll be showing you how to book a flight using the RBC Avion rewards app. So first thing is we're going to make sure we have the app downloaded on our phone, and then we're going to enter our details and password. Once we're on the home page, we're going to click at the bottom there to the travel icon. Once we're on the travel page, what we're going to do is look at getting a round trip, a one-way, or a multi-city flight. So I'm just going to use a round trip today. So let's search for an airport to leave from. I'll just use Toronto Pearson as an example. Then to click to where we're going, I'm just going to use Montreal. And what we're going to want to do is enter our departing and returning flight dates. So here is the page full of flights that are available on those dates. And since I want a non-stop flight, I'm just going to sort and filter. And then I'll click into non-stop. And it's going to show me flights that are available. I'm just going to click on the first option right over here. Then I'll choose the first option, which is basic economy, and I'll click on to select. Now it's time to book our return flight back, so I'm just going to click on the first one again and click into the basic economy. So once our flights are chosen, you can review to see if you're happy with your choice, or you can edit if needed. So everything here looks good to me, so I'll click on checkout. So now we're on the price summary page. As you can see, I don't have enough points to cover for my ticket. So it's automatically going to apply the points that I have, and we just have to pay the rest. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today on how to book flights using the RBC Avion rewards. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!